Hello, my fans out there. I still remain Dr. D.I. June, your lecturer on chemistry and social media. Previously, we discussed on chemical combination, and there I did mention some of the types of combinations we have. I told you we have two main types, which are electrovalent combination and covalent combination. I also told you that there are other ones, like the metallic bond, hydrogen bond, coordinate bond, and other ones. And today, we are going to talk about the electrovalent combination. Electrovalent combination. It is also called the ionic bonding. Ionic bonding. Now listen to what I have. This is a combination by transfer of electron from metallic atoms to non-metallic atoms during a chemical reaction. Let me take that point again. Electrovalent combination is a combination by transfer of electron from metallic atoms to non-metallic atoms during chemical reactions. Of course, we know that in the kingdom of elements, we have metals and non-metals. So, let's continue there. The metallic atoms, after donating their valence electrons, they become positively charged, while the non-metallic atoms, after accepting electrons, they become negatively charged after acquiring extra electrons. So, this transfer of electrons, by which one donates and another one is accepting, is called donor-acceptor principle. This combination, which is being put place by transfer of electron from metallic atom to non-metallic atom. In other words, the metal atom will donate electron, and the non-metal atom will now accept electron. So this type of combination is called donor-acceptor principle. All right. Now, both ions, both the negative ion and the positive ions, now possess what? Stable outer duplet, or the octet structure of the noble gas, and are held together by strong electrostatic forces, which is responsible for attraction, which therefore constitute the electrovalent or the ionic bond. For neutral sodium atom to form a unipositive sodium ion, each sodium atom must lose one electron. The positive sodium atom, for it to become ionized, it must lose one electron. And that's why you have on the board here. This is the neutral sodium atom. When it becomes an ion, it must have to lose one electron from the atomose shell. And that is why the configuration of electrons of the atoms is very, very important, that you, chemistry students, must have knowledge of. On the other hand, for a neutral chlorine atom to become ion, it must accept one electron. On the board here, this is neutral chlorine atom accepting one electron. It becomes what? A chlorine ion. So when chlorine and sodium are combining, sodium is a metallic atom, chlorine is a non-metallic atom. So when they agree to combine, sodium will transfer the only electron in the outermost shell to chlorine, and chlorine will accept that electron, and the combination will be done. Now, see on the board here. This is sodium atom. Sodium has 11 electrons. So the configuration is 281. So the 1 is the last electron in Atmos cell. Chlorine atom, chlorine has 17 electrons. The configuration is 287. That means 7 electrons in the Atmos shell. Now when these two agree to combine, sodium will agree to donate the last electron on most cell, and chlorine will accept that from electron. So after the transfer and acceptance, you know that sodium becomes now an ion, remaining what? 2,8, because the only electron here is transferred to chlorine. This is now sodium ion. Then the chlorine, after accepting that one electron from sodium, has become what? A chloride ion, having 288. Now, I told you that every element is having a tendency to become in that group 0, which is the octet, to become inert, because that state is undisturbed. But they cannot achieve that naturally unless by combination. Now, by this now, sodium, having lost one electron, is now 10. It has accepted the state of what? Neon. Now, chlorine, having accepted 1, that's now 18, that is argon. So by this transfer, they can now be in the electron octet, that is in state, being noble. So they cannot get there without combination. So this is why combination is very important. So sodium and chlorine combine by this means in order to get to that position, which is called the electron octet. So please like it and share it. Follow me, subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you.